Life is full of choices. You can choose to be happy or sad. You can decide if you want to be a giving person or just a taker. You can grow or stay stagnant. This applies to pretty much everything in life, but also applies, I believe, to photography. As a photographer, I can get stagnant. I can be unmotivated. I can be upset over my lack of photography skills or disappointed about that shot that just didn't look like I had hoped. But if I don't continue to try, if I give up, if I accept stagnation in my work, if I don't motivate myself, I will never improve. I will never grow. I strive to improve my skills, my ability to see a shot through the viewfinder in a way nobody else may see it. Generally, I choose not to photograph the same iconic locations and the same scenes everyone else seems to shoot. Does that make my photography better? Maybe not. But it does make it different. Photography is an art. It is interpreted differently from one person to the next. What I see as an incredible shot may seem lackluster to another. I feel part of that difference is the perspective one gets from actually being at the location of the shot. The feeling one gets from standing at that very spot, taking in not only the view, but the smells, the sounds of the environment around you, the peacefulness, the chaos, the weather conditions. And if you're alone, that feeling of awe and knowing you are the only person in the entire world who is witnessing this very scene at this very moment in time, and it's all yours. Then you will have the opportunity to share that feeling through a photo you captured. Maybe for that person who can't get there, or for that person who didn't even know they wanted to go there until you shared the view. Maybe you share it for personal accolades and acceptance, that your efforts, long hours, planning and travel are worth it after all. I don't have any misguided thoughts that I will be remembered as a photographer long after I am gone, but that's okay. My reward is reaching people today with what I do. Maybe it's one person, maybe it's 100. As long as I reach some, I am happy. I see, I shoot, I share. That's my choice. What's yours?